on my trail. And all a nigga hear is chopper shells. It's a war outside. Be with some demons, pray they never go to hell. Behind me, these niggas don't know nothing else. Yes, I bet they slide. Granny always told me, take your time, yeah man, take your time, Papa, slow it down. I hear chopper shells hit the ground. Please don't be another man down. Stepping over blood in the street. I just got these new sneaks last week. This time around, show a different version of me, better than who you found. She the reason for being these and killings through the town. Cause she stole my heart, shot me down. No need for calling 911. Trust me, if it's about my son, I let every bullet out my gun. Take out all my funds. It's a brand new day, new money on the way. That's all I really need. If it's all on you, you can call on me. Ain't tryna ball on you, I'm tryna ball with you. And shout out, I've been for 7 days. Ain't kinda hard to sleep, and I can't say what I seen. Nightmares and bad dreams when I close my eyes. Trying to make it out alive, it's a war outside.
It's a war right at your front door. Can you smell the ghost? Consequences when you play with mine, nigga, I'ma let my gun blow. Outside it's getting ugly, lightning striking and it's muddy. Tell me, can you stand the rain? There's consequences when you're thugging. Crackers picking up the members, got me peeking out the window. Baby mama sending scriptures covered in blood if they coming for me. I've been running from my demons, I'm guessing it's my season. Losing back to back, why is everybody leaving? Outside it's pouring and storming, I don't want no army. My little brother somewhere bleeding, I'm watching why people performing. You could've left T-Roll a warning, and it'll never get no better. Left me broken, scarred in the morning.
For 7 days, kinda hard to sleep. I can't say what I seen. Nightmares and bad dreams when I close my eyes. Gotta make it out alive, it's a war outside.